One of the most common side effects associated with weight loss medication is constipation. To help manage this, it's essential to consume plenty of fiber in your diet. Aim to include a variety of fruits and vegetables to your meals daily. Hydration is also crucial, as drinking enough water can significantly alleviate constipation symptoms. Incorporating high fiber foods like whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds can be beneficial. For example, adding seeds to salads, smoothies can enhance fiber intake. Dried fruits, particularly prunes, are known to be effective for relieving constipation, so consider adding them to your yogurt or salads. Movement is another important factor. Regular physical activity can help stimulate digestion and alleviate constipation. Even simple activities like walking can make a difference. If you find that your taste preferences change due to the medication, consider preparing vegetables in a different way to make them more appealing. For instance, if you're not fond of broccoli, try roasting it or blending it into a smoothie with fruits and other vegetables like spinach or avocado. The key is to find enjoyable ways to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your diet that would work for you. This approach will not only help with constipation, but also support your overall health while on the medication. Nausea is also another common side effect on weight loss medication, often resembling feeling like motion sickness or cat sickness. It's normal to experience nausea on the day of the injection and for a day or two afterward. To alleviate the symptoms, it's important to focus on eating enough food. Although it might feel counterintuitive to eat when you are nauseous, consuming small meals can help you settle your stomach and reduce discomfort. Pay attention to your body and identify which foods you can tolerate when feeling nauseous. It's crucial to prioritize nutritious foods to ensure you're getting the right nutrients while managing side effects. Foods that are gentle on your stomach, such as crackers, toast, or bananas, may be easier to handle. Additionally, incorporating ginger into your diet can be beneficial for nausea relief. Timing the injection can also play a significant role in managing nausea. Consider taking the medication in the evening, allowing you to be at home and comfortable, minimizing the impact of your daily activities. If you choose to inject in the morning and experience nausea afterward, it might hinder your ability to eat enough throughout the day, leading to increased fatigue and discomfort. Ultimately, listening to your body and ensuring you consume enough food can help mitigate nausea. Tiredness is also a common side effect of weight loss medication. As you begin weight loss medication, it often leads to significant decrease in food intake, which can result in consuming fewer nutrients and ultimately impact your energy levels. To combat the tiredness, it's crucial to focus on eating the right nutrients. Even if you're unable to eat large portions, prioritize nutrient-dense foods and provide essential vitamins and minerals that help maintain your energy levels. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. This way, you can ensure that you're getting the necessary nutrients to support your body. It's important to be gentle with yourself during this time. Prioritize rest and ensure you're getting enough sleep, as recovery is vital for maintaining your overall wellness. Remember that taking care of your body includes listening to its needs and allowing yourself the time to recover. By focusing on nutrition and self-care, you can better manage tiredness while on the medication.